Okay, now that we've got the functionality to add a new following from an observer to a target, let's head back to Solution Explorer. And what we want to do is go to our application, project, and inside the profiles, and we're going to update our profile class to incorporate the following properties that we need to add. So what we're going to add to the profile class is we're going to add a property that's a Boolean, and we're going to call it following. Now this particular property is going to be for the current user. When they return another user's profile, we want to know if the currently logged in user is following that particular user. What we'll also add is a couple of ints, and we'll have a followers count, and we'll also have an int for the following count. And what we'll do, we'll need to come back to the following property. This needs some special treatment, but the followers and following count is easy enough to add. And what we'll do is we'll use AutoMapper to just simply map the results of this into the profile class. So we'll open up the mapping profiles. And inside here, we've got our app user going to our profiles.profile. And this is the one that we'll update. So inside here, we'll add another for member. And the destination goes to d.followersCount, and we'll add the options, and we'll say o.map from, and then for the source, we'll say the source goes from s.followers, and we'll specify count. And then we'll just copy this one down, and we'll do the same for the following count property. And we'll map this from the followings.count. And AutoMapper will take care of the rest. So what we'll do, we'll just head back to Postman to test this functionality. And what we'll do, we'll need to go and follow Tom once again, so that we at least have one following inside here. And then if we go and click on Tom's profile and get Tom's profile as Bob, then what we should see is that Tom has a follower, one of them. And that's correct. We see one in the followers count. And if we go and get Bob's profile and click send, then we should see that he is following one, or we have a following count of 1 for Bob. So far so good. What we also want to be able to do is return a list of people that a user is following or being followed by, and we'll take a look at that next.